Very good evening, friends. This side Rahul Magan here as a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. Video shot 2nd November 2020, precisely 11:30 p.m. Singapore. Before I proceed further, let me remind you that like any other YouTube video, our YouTube video also having a dialog box. In this dialog box, there is a paragraph followed by a link. If you click on this link, then you would be able to reach to the free groups by Treasury Consulting, which covers, LinkedIn, YouTube, WhatsApp, Twitter, Telegram, and many. On a fortnightly basis, we continue to change the group settings, and the next change is, I think, on 8th November. But the link remains the same. As we told you 15 days ago that our hedge fund desk is doing a research on bank PSU stocks. And it took around 15 days to get the research done. And we are now very happy or very pleased to share that we finally concluded two banking stocks which we can take and forget as a, I would say, as a FD, term deposit. We went through the annual report of these banking stocks. We analyzed the public information about the banking stocks. We made our own mind regarding which private equity or venture capitalist can invest in these banking stocks, and so on and so forth. Because having said that, one thing which is really very important in banking stock is that you need to analyze the balance sheet, you need to analyze a lot of things in the public domain. And we also understand that the disclosures of the Indian banks are really not at par of what we are having of American banks. In that regards, we have identified two banking stocks, and tomorrow, which is 3rd November 2020, of course, me personally is taking a position in these two banking stocks. We believe that these banking stocks, if we hold for 3 years, then the price may be 2.5 times, because we went through the balance sheet, we saw almost all ratios which are available on Reuters, Bloomberg. We saw the public information, we saw the provisioning, and many things which we saw. The information pertaining to both would be shared with clients on one by one basis. And after that, we are going to be taking one bank stock in Wall Street, and that I am taking. As you understand that Treasury Consulting is taking positions in the Wall Street also. I am going to be taking a position in a bank in Wall Street. And I strongly feel that as and when this pandemic is over, we would be able to generate a pretty decent return if we continue to hold these banking stocks. We understand that this pandemic is shaping up. We clearly understand that, as we speak on 2nd November, Europe is locked down. London, Greece, Germany, France, and many countries in Europe. Unfortunately, the cases are rising and there is so much negativity about various sectors. Considering all these, there are few good banking stocks worldwide, those who are at throwaway prices. Like one we identified in Dubai, two we identified in Thailand, and one we identified in Philippines, two we identified in India, and one we identified in US. So India, two, and Wall Street, which is US, is finalized from our research desk, while Dubai, two in Thailand, and one in Philippines. The research is still going on, and hopefully in another 1 week it would get done. But as you know that we currently do or publish around 17 plus exchanges of the globe, which includes India, US, Thailand, Taiwan, Vietnam, Philippines, Dubai, Canada, and all. We strongly feel that there are many good banking stocks that are available at throwaway prices. The only exception is Canada. Canada is really, I can say, bit of expensive. When we look at Canadian exchange, it is bit expensive compared to other Southeast Asian, like we have Singapore, Dubai, Hong Kong, and Philippines. But yes, I hope that as the things is as the negativity is spreading up, and the central bank started talking about the negative interest rate. In fact, as we speak on 2nd November, Fed also said that they are looking to boost the bond buying, so as the ECB. So let's see, but we are sure that very soon we would be taking up positions. Of course, tomorrow on 3rd November, we are taking a position in India, and probably tomorrow night I would be taking at Wall Street. And of course, by the end of this week, we would be taking positions in Dubai, Thailand, and Philippines. But yes, banking stocks, good banking stocks are available now. That is this. We thank you very much. Our WhatsApp 9818485155. Have a great day.